In this video, I will show you how to add a service list to Wix. So first things first, you just have to go to wix.com, create an account. You can create an account using your Google account or your email address and password. And once you're on your Wix or once you have your account, then you should see this one. All sites that you have published and not published, you can see it right here. In order for you to create one, then all you have to do is tap on create new site right here. But for the sake of our tutorial, since we will be adding service list to our site, then I can choose from any of this existing not published or unpublished site right here. So if you want to create one, just tap this, create new site, and then you can try Wix Studio for advanced features or create on Wix Editor for beginners as an idea from AI, or you can set up without chat. What type of website? You can choose from any of this here. Just type in the category and then tap on continue. Now you will have your dashboard. Okay, so I will be using from any of my existing site right here. For example, this one. So tap on select and edit. So this is your dashboard. I just want to tell you that this is an independent dashboard. So whatever you add here, like the payment method or whatever you want to add, like the sales catalog application, it will not affect your other site. So it's like an independent dashboard. So we will go back to our dashboard later, but before that, let's go to design site in order for us to add the service list. So tap on design site. Okay, so this is the example site. And in order for you to add a service list to your existing or to your new site, then all you have to do is to add a section right here. So I'm going to click a sample section and then let's look for add section. Okay, this part. We're going to add section. Tap this one right here and then tap on add section. This is where we're going to add the service list. So how are we going to do that? On the left side, you should see this add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. If you want to know more about how to use this or the functions of this, you can go to my channel, and you can check out more tutorials about Wix. So for the meantime, I'll just show you how to add the service list. And all you have to do here is tap on the plus icon, which is add elements. And then you have to scroll down here. You can see this list option, but it will just give you this over repeaters, blank repeaters, where you want to add repeaters to your page. But if you want to add a service list, then all you have to do is go to bookings, tap this one. Once you tap this, then you should see this under booking elements. You can see here featured, service, service list, calendar, next availability, weekly timetable, daily agenda, and cart icon. Okay, so now I will be adding or I will tap this service list and you see here different layouts and samples. So you can see this one right here or this. So you can choose from any. Okay, so as you can see, I will be adding this one. And here it is. And now here it is. So if you want to simply manage your services, it's now added to your page. If you want to manage your services, like change the name here, also the prices, you can tap on manage a services. It will take you back to your dashboard. You can also go back to your dashboard and then tap on booking services here. And that is under catalog. So here you can see the appointment. You can see here class. You can see here course. So if you want to add these services, then you can just basically tap on edit. So if you want your service as like appointment, then you can choose from virtual consultation and this one right here. If you want your service as class or if you want your service as course, then you can just basically tap any of this and then edit. So for example, I will be adding a service for, let's just say, personal consultation. So I can tap on the edit right here, though this one is a paid version. Now you can add the name of your service type. So this one is appointment, service details, visual consultation. You can add tag like virtual, something like that. And then You can also add description. You can also ask generate AI description that you can create your own description, which is I highly recommended. Duration, you can change this to whatever it is, no buffer time, or you can add 5 minutes if you want. Price and payment per session. So you can add the price per session right here. And then you can enter amount online payment preferences. Let's just say entire amount in person or entire amount either online or in person. So it should be like amount in person, location, client's place. You can change this if you want. And then for video conferencing, you can add video conferencing so that this service can be offered online. You can set this ad right here. And then you need to have a progress. So this part. You can assign staff if you have other staff to meet the client or the customer. You can add this one right here. And then you can add images of your service consultation. You can use Canva for that. And then you can just toggle on this online bookings. And then you can add policy right here. You can edit the form. And then once done, you can now tap on save. Okay, so here it is. Now, this is what it looks like. You can add new services if you wanted to. Now, let's go back to our dashboard. You go to your page right here and then tap on book online. Then you should see your added service right away. Okay, so this is like virtual consultation and your customer can see this book now. Okay, now to go back and add more services to your so if you want to add more services, you can tap on again manage a services and it will take you back to your dashboard. And then here you can add more services, add new service right here. It could be different if you want. So you're done with this virtual consultation. So let's try for web workshop. So you can tap this one right here. You can edit this, or you can also try other services. For example, this class or course. Okay, so let's just say you are offering services for corporate seminar. So tap edit right here and basically add again service details. Okay, so this one right here, add description, participants, you can change this one. And then for price and payment, you can edit this also with the amount that you want to ask. And then entire amount online, you can just basically change everything here, add sessions, get booked, and so on. Tap on save. Now, again, if you go back to your design site, okay, so in order for me to start taking bookings online, I need to upgrade my plan. Now, if you go back to your design site, your Wix, so I have to refresh this to see my other services. And then if I go back again to home, and then tap on the book online, which is my services here, then I should see added services right here. And basically that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.